Today I'm going to show you my upgraded Stirling engine that can generate electricity and light up an LED. The flywheel spins this generator using a belt. Now we're getting the engine ready to start. We connect the belt to the flywheel and the generator. We start the engine. After the engine starts running, we measure the output current of the generator. Then we use this current to light up the LED. You can see that when we turn off the lamp switch, the generator speeds up because it's no longer under load, and it slows down when we turn it off. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more cool projects.